Hi everyone, my name is Silvana Azana and I'm an engineer at ExxonMobil. Today, I'm challenging you to build a stable tower of cups and make it as tall as possible. The only materials you're going to need are, well, cups. So, large paper cups or plastic cups, which are the ones that I have, or even empty soda cans, so long as they are circular and can be stackable, you can use them for this challenge. To take on the challenge, we are going to be using the engineering design process. So here's a problem. How can you make a tower as tall as possible without having it fall over? I already have here 4 plastic cups stacked up, and we're going to see how much more I can add before they lose balance and fall over. You can already see that it's starting to shake a little bit. There we go. There's another one. So we have 6, 7, and I'm getting nervous, so I'm going to go ahead and pause there. You can find the written instructions for this activity on DiscoverE's website. Here are the specs. The only materials you can use are the cups themselves. The tower must stand on its own without any human assistance, and hopefully it's not falling over. You can build your own, or if you have brothers or sisters, feel free to invite them to come and play with you and build this challenge, or even bring in your parents. Start by brainstorming some designs. So you can see that I've alternated my stacking here. Maybe you want to do something different. So when you're ready with your design, go ahead and start testing it out. Look for ways that you can make it better along the way. And if your tower falls down completely, which mine might, it's okay. Don't worry. Engineers learn from their mistakes all the time. Just think about how you can make it better next time and try again. The last step of the design process is always to share your results. Let us know how you did. You can email photos or post on social media using the hashtag DiscoverEChallenge. Have fun!